To integrate SendPulse email marketing with Slack, you can use Zapier, a platform that allows you to connect different apps and automate workflows without the need for coding skills. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to set up the integration. If you don't have a Zapier account, sign up for free. You can use the link in the description to try Zapier. If you already have an account, log in. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button at the top of the dashboard. For the Trigger app, select SendPulse Email Marketing. Select the trigger event that will initiate the integration. For example, you might choose New Subscriber. Follow the prompts to connect your SendPulse email marketing account to Zapier. You'll likely need to provide your API key or authorize Zapier to access your SendPulse account. Once your SendPulse account is connected, configure the trigger settings according to your preferences. For example, if you selected New Subscriber as the trigger event, you might need to specify the mailing list to monitor for new subscribers. After setting up the trigger, it's time to choose the action app. In this case, select Slack. Select the action event you want to occur in Slack when the trigger event happens. For example, you might choose Send Channel Message to notify your team in a specific Slack channel. Follow the prompts to connect your Slack account to Zapier. You'll need to authorize Zapier to access your Slack workspace. Configure the action settings based on your preferences. For example, you can customize the message that will be sent to Slack when a new subscriber is added. Once everything is set up, it's a good idea to test the Zap to ensure that it works as expected. Zapier will simulate the trigger event and show you how the data flows from SendPulse to Slack. If the test is successful, you can turn on your Zap. It will now run in the background, automatically sending notifications to Slack whenever the trigger event occurs in SendPulse email marketing. That's it. You've successfully integrated SendPulse email marketing with Slack using Zapier. You can always go back and edit your Zap if you need to make any changes to the workflow. Don't forget to use the link in the description to try both of these platforms.